Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to talk about present value and future value and how to calculate present value and future value in Excel sheet. So to go into the concept, present value is the value of today at the present. Like if I have $100 today, then it will not be equal to the $100 of the future, or the $100 in the past will not be equal to the $100 in future. They will have a different value. So I'm going to calculate the present value and future value in an Excel sheet. So let's do present value at first. To calculate present value, let's set the future value of let's consider it as a 20,000. So we have to give the value of the future in let me make all the sale. Okay, so like I've said, the future value or the value that we get should be kept in minus, like I've done over here. So if the future value is 2000 given by the quotient, then you have to put it in a minus. And let's say the year of 5 years of time period, and what the interest rate of let's say 9%. So what is the present value? So if this is a quotient of, if this is a condition, then you can calculate the present value by, okay, I'm going to calculate it down over here. You can calculate the present value by using this formula. First of all, you have to write present value, which is PV, and give a opening bracket. Then you have to select a rate, which is 9%, and give a comma, and then NPER. This is year, so year or the time frame. So over here in this condition it's 5. PMT, just give this PMT as 0, the value of 0, and the future value would be the value that you have. The future value over here in this condition is 20,000, and then close the bracket and hit enter. By this way you can see that the present value of this 20,000 is 12,998.63. So if I have 12,998.63, so having an interest rate of 9% after 5 years, the amount would be 20,000 in the future. So this is how you calculate the present value of the future by using an Excel sheet. So to calculate the future value, let's say the present value of PV, the present value is let's say it to be 15,000. Don't forget to put the amount in minus. So the 15,000 is the present value, whereas year or the time frame would be, let's say 6 year, and interest rate of, actually INT I have here. INT means interest rate. So okay, so by INT over here I mean it by interest. I mean it's interest. So let's say the interest of 9% over here as well. You can choose any percent. Let's say 10% for now. So now we have to calculate the future value. So for calculating the future value, we have to consider the formula future value, which is FV, and then open the bracket, then you select the rate. In this condition it's 10%, and ampere is a year, and then PMT, just put the value 0 and the PMT and the present value, which is 15,000 in this case, and close the bracket and hit enter. So the future value for 15,000 would be 26,000. So over here the future value, the present value of 26,000 is will be the 20,000 in the coming year, not coming in the fifth year. So over here in the future value, the present value is 15,000, and after 6 years and having the interest rate of 10%, it will be 26,573.42. Yeah, this is how you calculate the present value and the future value using an Excel sheet and a formula. So you can see formula over here, and this is the formula for calculating the present value. You can pause the video and see it. So for the future value, this is the formula. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys are doing well. Goodbye.